When your impact wrench trigger becomes unresponsive, systematic diagnosis is key to identifying the root cause. The troubleshooting approach depends entirely on whether you have a cordless or pneumatic model. First, identify whether you have a cordless battery-powered model or a pneumatic air-powered model. This determines which diagnostic steps to follow. For cordless impact wrenches, battery issues are the most common cause of trigger problems. Let's examine the key areas to check. Start by checking the battery charge level. A weak or old battery can significantly reduce power and cause trigger responsiveness issues. Next, inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. Clean terminals are essential for proper electrical connection. Corrosion appears as white or green buildup around the terminals. If the battery is fine, the trigger switch itself might be faulty. A defective switch will prevent the tool from receiving power even with a good battery. Now let's examine pneumatic impact wrench diagnosis, which focuses on air supply and pressure issues. For pneumatic tools, start by verifying that your air compressor delivers sufficient pressure and airflow. Most impact wrenches require at least 90 psi for proper operation. Inspect the air hose for kinks, leaks, or damage. Even small leaks can significantly reduce pressure and affect trigger response. Check all fittings and connections for tightness. Loose connections cause pressure loss and inconsistent performance. Finally, ensure the air pressure regulator is properly adjusted to deliver the correct pressure to your impact wrench. Regardless of your impact wrench type, proper cleaning and maintenance are essential for optimal trigger performance. Dirt and debris can significantly affect trigger performance. Use a soft brush and damp cloth to clean the trigger area, but avoid getting water near the motor components. Always avoid water near motor components and check for any obstructions that might prevent the trigger from moving freely. By following these diagnostic steps systematically, you can identify the root cause of your impact wrench trigger problems and determine the appropriate repair approach. Now that you've diagnosed the trigger problem, it's time to fix it. The repair approach depends on whether you have a cordless or pneumatic impact wrench. For cordless impact wrenches, the most common repairs involve the electrical components. If the trigger switch is faulty, it must be replaced entirely. If corrosion has damaged the control board's wiring harness, you'll need to replace the entire control board. Also, clean any corroded battery terminals to ensure proper electrical connection. Pneumatic wrenches require different repair approaches. Start by testing the trigger valve operation and cleaning it if it's stuck. For a stuck trigger, unlock the air inlet, remove the throttle valve spring and assembly, then thoroughly clean the valve seat to restore proper operation. Once repairs are complete, proper maintenance is crucial for preventing future trigger problems. Regular maintenance starts with proper lubrication. Use only the manufacturer's recommended lubricant to prevent wear and tear on internal parts. Always store your impact wrench in a clean, dry environment. Extreme temperatures and moisture can damage internal components and cause trigger failures. Perform regular inspections of the gears, chuck, and motor. Look for signs of wear, damage, or contamination that could affect trigger operation. Keep all components clean and free of dirt and debris. Regular cleaning prevents contamination that can cause the trigger to stick or malfunction. Following these repair and maintenance procedures will keep your impact wrench trigger functioning reliably for years to come.